Hello Fuminatics, let's get into the video. We will be discussing how to install macOS High Sierra. First, we're going to insert our macOS installer USB on the USB port of our MacBook. After plugging in our macOS USB, press the power button and then hold the Option key before we hear the Apple chimes. After we hear the Apple chimes, a boot menu selection will appear, and then we select Install macOS High Sierra and then press Enter. Once the macOS installer loads, the main screen will appear. Make sure that our MacBook is connected via Wi-Fi. After we connect our MacBook to the Wi-Fi, we will delete the partitions that is indicated in the macOS. First, select the disk utility and click Continue. It will load all of the devices that are connected to the MacBook. Select Macintosh HDD and then click Erase. Then click Erase. After we erase the partitions or the storage device, click Done and then exit this utility. And now click Install macOS and then click Continue. This is the main screen of macOS High Sierra installation. Click Continue to proceed. Click Agree and then click Agree again. Select Macintosh HDD and then click Install. In this case, I forgot to insert our charger. I plug in the charger and proceed with installation. During the installation process, it may or restart our MacBook for several times. This is normal for a MacBook installation. On this configuration page, select Philippines as our main country and then click Continue. To get updates, make sure our MacBook Pro is connected to our Wi-Fi. Just insert the password and then click Continue. After connecting to the Wi-Fi, click Continue and then Continue. Then click Setup Later for your Apple ID and then click Skip. On the Terms and Conditions, click Agree and then click Agree again. Here, you may input any name and then input your initial password and then click continue. After you click continue again to complete the setup. You just completed installing macOS High Sierra on your MacBook Pro. I hope you enjoy watching this tutorial. This is the desktop of macOS High Sierra. I hope you learned and enjoy something on this video. To support this channel, click the subscribe button and you will get notified by clicking the notification bell. So see you on the next video, and Fumie out.